Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the coolest tools in the Delaverse playground, the container node. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a bunch of scattered nodes in your workflow, this is your new best friend. The container node is like a smart organizer for your AI workflows. It bundles up multiple nodes, think data sources, AI processors, and outputs, into one neat package. This makes your setups cleaner, easier to manage and perfect for running smooth analytics or automations. Whether you're building a logistics tracker or a multi-source data analyzer, it saves you time and reduces headaches by turning chaos into clarity. Getting started is a breeze. Head over to your Delaverse Playground dashboard. From the node menu on the side, search for or scroll to find the container node. Just click and drag it onto your canvas. Give it a catchy name like Sales Analytics Hub or Daily Report Wrapper to keep things organized right from the start. Once it's on the canvas, it's time to fill it up. Drag in the nodes you want to group together. Maybe a Google Sheets for data input, an AI node for smart processing, and a Telegram output for notifications. The container node pulls everything together seamlessly, handling data flow inside like a pro. No more spaghetti connections across your workspace. For that extra insight boost, connect your container node's output to an analyzer node. This setup lets you aggregate data from all those bundled sources and spot patterns or insights you might miss otherwise. It's like having a mini command center for your workflow. Pro tips to level up. First, think about what goes together. Group data collection nodes with their processing buddies for logical flow. Name your containers descriptively so you or your team can jump back in easily. Before adding a ton of nodes, sketch out the internal connections on paper to avoid getting tangled. And don't forget, pairing with an analyzer node unlocks deeper multidimensional analysis, perfect for those aha moments in your projects. With the container node, your workflows become more modular, reusable, and way less intimidating. Say goodbye to cluttered canvases and hello to efficient, scalable automations that grow with you. Jump in, experiment, and watch how it supercharges your Delaverse experience. You've got this.